This is our machine, and I'm going to explain how does the infrared cross pointer work. How will the machine know where to start work? Firstly, we would import a cutting file. Now let's take the this file, for example, and we send this file to the machine. So now the machine received received the file completely, and we can start the cutting. But before cutting, how should we know where will the machine start work? Will it start work here or here? Now we see there is infrared cross pointer. This is a laser pointer, so it helps us to identify, to see where the machine will start work. We can set the exact point as the start point. Okay, let me show you. Here we can set the 0 point, and now it says set 0 succeed. So we will know the machine has already set a 0 point, the position where to start the work. And let's check will it be correct or not. So here is 2 0. So let's check. Okay, and click again one more time. So we will know the machine will start from this point to this point. So we will find it will cut over here. So we will know how the machine will work, where will it start work. Let's check. Repeat. And the vacuum on. Before cutting, the machine will automatically turn on the vacuum. And after cutting, so let's check. Okay. This is the 0 point we set, and now it has cut the material. Let's check. Okay, it's perfect.